Welcome to our Aloe Vera processing factory. Today, I'll take you on a journey to see exactly how fresh, pure aloe vera products are made.
Plant industry. From nature to industry.
Okay, back it up another 2 feet.
Got it. Are the manifests ready?
Yeah, they're in the office.
Check the edges for damage.
This one is perfect. No wilting at all.
All right, move that pallet to line 3.
Copy that, heading over now.
The color on this lot looks consistent.
Agreed. Blemish check complete on this side.
Look at this one, completely soft. Straight to the reject pile. We have many more coming.
This batch looks really good.
Yeah, very consistent. We should hit the quarter easily.
Check this one, it's bruised.
Yeah, we have
Yeah, toss it in the bin.
We need to optimize the flow on sorting line 2 immediately.
Already on it. The anomaly has been resolved. Accuracy is back to 99%.
Right there, pull that one.
Okay, adjusting the flow now.
Good catch, keep it moving.
Adjusting pressure now. Confirm stabilization.
Pressure is stable at optimal levels.
I've adjusted the gel flow rate.
Looks stable. The viscosity is holding steady.
Sample collected.
Lot number confirmed. Seal the vial.
Done. Ready for analysis.
The band intensity is significantly higher on the treated samples.
Yes, the quantification confirms the upregulation we observed. We should proceed.
Pressure is fluctuating slightly.
Adjusting the flow rate now.
Clarity levels are optimal, though. We are maintaining quality.
Ensure the gasket is seated correctly before tightening the housing.
Got it. The flow rate should stabilize after this replacement.
Noted. I'll log the new batch number now.
The robotic arm is showing a pressure drop at the 7th stage. Yeah.
That aligns with the contamination spike we saw earlier. We need to isolate that section.
Pasteurization ensures the safety and extends the shelf life of our aloe vera products.
Pressure is steady at 0.8.
Adjusting the temperature now, it should stabilize.
Optimal levels confirmed.
Pressure looks stable at 30 psi.
Okay, adjusting the flow rate now. We are clear on the sterilization cycle.
Good. Logged it?
I've got an error code on this one right here.
All right, isolate that one. We need to check the seal integrity.
We need to prioritize the European shipment on Bay 3.
The AGVs are already rerouting the aloe pallets now. The viscosity seems consistent with the last batch.
Agreed. The pH levels are also within tolerance. We can approve this lot.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through our aloe vera production process. Every bottom jar you enjoy is the result